Hey, this is a quick little walkthrough tutorial on how to navigate through Terrarium TV powered by Google Video. Take your handy remote, upper left-hand corner, 3 bars. You hit select. You've got TV shows you can choose from, movies, favorites, downloads, settings. All right. When you click on settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and clear the cache whenever you feel like it. It's not really necessary too often, but I like to do it every couple days. Arrow key back. Now, the blue highlighted tab there on the upper left-hand corner, you click that. It says in theaters. You have your different selections. HD releases, top rated, action, adventure, You get the idea. All right. When you want to get out of that, you just arrow key back. Okay. Now, let's go to TV. You go up to the top. Recently updated, new shows. Here's the amazing thing about Terrarium TV. It searches for new shows for your favorite series every 2 hours. So if you saw something, if there was a show like Game of Thrones last night and you missed it, it'll be up here in 2 hours. Pretty amazing. For free. All right. Go down here, most played, most watched. Those are always good because you know that those feeds are seamless. Top rated, Netflix list, Amazon list, Hulu list. You can pretty much cancel all those subscriptions now because between this and Kodi, you get it all for free. So you're going to save a ton of money there. Not a ton, but you get the idea. All right, go down the bottom, arrow key out. All right. Now, when you want to pick something, I don't know, Game of Thrones, whatever. So when you get to this screen, people go, what do I do? So you move the arrow key, this thing, over here to seasons. All right. Season 1, you have all your seasons ready to go. Whoop. Let's go to season 7. You hit select. All right. And all you do, if you saw that, this is a quick way. You just hold down the select button and it'll play Season 7, Episode 1 right away for you. Actually, it's going to go down to the different feeds, I believe. There we go. Now, I've been instructed to download what's called Yes Movies. That's the default video player. You'll notice that there's no Yes player here. Does not matter. You can use any... Oh, there it is. So you can use Yes Movies is actually what it's called, but it doesn't matter. You can pretty much do the top one if you want. You click OK, you hit play, play with subtitles, download it to your favorites tab here, download with subtitles, hit play. Video will start in a second. Boom, it's that quick. I mean, talk about similarities to Netflix and how fast it is. This is like finding a gold mine.
The war is over. Winter has come.
The war is
Winter has come.
The true enemy.
All right, so I just paused it. There's not too many tabs on this. Now, one thing that people ask me is when they get out of a movie, when they're done, they'll notice an advertising picture kind of with an X in the upper left-hand corner, kind of like when you download an app and then an ad pops up. Well, you just click out of that X to get out. But with here, all you need to do when the ad pops up is hit this button right there, okay? And that'll get out of it. I don't know if it's going to pop up now. Let me just stop this here. I'll go back out. Give it a sec. Perfect example. So this will just sit here. You can, and look, it won't do anything, right? You're like, oh, it's stuck. All you have to do is hit this arrow key and it swooshes out of it. That right there is going to save you a big headache. So you owe me one. Just kidding. Hope you enjoy and have fun.